Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome me back, because I'm already over here for the third time. But this time it's for two very good reasons. One of the reasons is that my wife read all the comments that you guys write on the channel. Everybody is very happy, everybody loves it, and it makes me very happy. The second good reason why I'm back, because all of you asking again for me to cook another food. So my wife says I have to cook or I sleep on the floor. So I'm back cooking, okay? So I'm gonna cook right now one more dish. So it's gonna be chicken with French fries. It's very easy and it's unbelievably delicious. We're gonna start by cutting the chicken, potatoes, tomatoes, and garlic, and we're gonna go step by step and I show you how to cook it. Okay, we're gonna start by cutting the chicken. I'm doing 1.5 chicken today. So what I do with the chicken is it's your choice. If you want to leave the skin on, you can leave the skin on. If you like the skin, we cut the skin off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook it outside, okay? So everything's gonna be outside. I have to make French fries also. As always, I love cooking outside. I hope you do too. And if you have any type of food in mind, please don't hesitate. Ask me. If I know how to cook it, I'll cook it. If not, I'll ask you how to cook it. And you can cut the chicken for the sizes that you like. Big, small, it's up to you how you like it. I'm gonna start the fire. I need a couple seconds for the fire to start. And then I'm gonna continue chopping the garlic, tomatoes. So this is the fire. I'm gonna adjust the fire and I'm gonna show you how the fire has to be as we go through. I'm gonna prepare the garlic. Approximately, this is 1 head of garlic, so I will take 3/4 of this garlic. So I'm gonna chop it right now. While we start filming, just a couple minutes ago, my mother-in-law called. So my wife told her that this is the type of food I'm cooking right now, and she says this is happened to be her favorite. Even my mother-in-law likes it. Imagine how much you gonna like it, or your mother-in-law gonna like it. So after I clean the garlic, I gotta chop him. Now I need tomatoes. So for 1.5 chicken, approximately 3 tomatoes. I'm gonna cube the tomatoes. It doesn't really matter how big or small they are because they're all gonna melt while you cook them. There's a lot of funny stuff going in the background, so maybe in the future, if you guys like, let me know. I'll put some of the funny stuff. When you cut or something doesn't go right, like a bloopers, you know? So while you cook, you're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna start cooking the chicken right now. So I wanna show you the fire. Look at the fire. It's pretty good. And if you need more, you can always add. And if it's too high, you can take it out. And if you pay attention, I have another pot over there. This is a little bit bigger size. So over there, I'm gonna cook French fries. Let me start by pouring the oil a little bit, not too much. It's approximately a 1/3 cup. We are now not really in quarantine, but it's still COVID-19. So some of the haircut places, the barbershop is open, but my wife started cutting my hair. So yesterday she cut my hair. How you guys like it? Look, tell me, look. Nice? My wife is
I'm booking for future appointments.
Okay guys, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna first put the garlic, okay? So you saw the oil, the amount of the oil that I showed you before. So I just put the garlic maybe like less than a minute ago. So garlic cooks very fast. Don't go away, put the garlic and go away because it's gonna burn. And if it burns, then it ruins the whole food. Okay, now I gotta put the tomatoes. So approximately I'm gonna let it stay maybe like for 5 minutes together with the garlic. I need it to be a little bit more higher fire. Okay, so I'm gonna add one more wood. Oak always smells nice. And it's always easy to add wood once you have the fire going, you know. Because once you start the fire, you can always add wood so the fire starts. In this case, if I have too much wood over here, I'm not worried. You know why? Because I can always take it and transfer it to the other pot for the French fries. So I'm not worried to put a little bit extra. Okay guys, now it's time to put the chicken. I put 1.5 whole chicken over here. I'm not done with the chicken. I just add the chicken inside the tomatoes and garlic. I'm gonna start preparing the potatoes. Okay, so after I cut them, because I'm not gonna start cooking them right now, it's always good to put them in the water for now until you're gonna start cooking them, because otherwise the potatoes change color. I'm showing you the fire right now. I just want to see what's going on inside. Beautiful. Boiling nice, everywhere equal. So we still need another like 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna be getting my deal from my garden. while everything is cooking over there, so I'm gonna prepare the garlic again. This garlic and dill gonna have to go on top when the food is ready. When you plate it, you put it on top of the french fries. Okay, so I'll show you how I do it. If you only like it. If you don't like it, you don't have to put it. Okay, after I chop the garlic, and I'm gonna chop the dill. Okay, now that I chopped them both, I mix them. So now is the time to add the rest of the ingredients. 3/4 of a 15-ounce tomato sauce, and if it's a little bit more, you don't have to worry about it. If it's a little bit less, no big deal. Salt, as always, I do it by my hand. So I know a lot of you ask that I should say how many spoons. It's a little bit difficult for me, so I always do it by hand. And you can see approximately, okay? But then as I go along, I will taste it and see if it's missing salt. I always add black pepper, paprika, and 2 cups of boiling water. No sink water, no cold water, it has to be boiling. I'm gonna close it right now. This has to go on for 40 minutes. Once in a while you can open it, check it, or you can leave a little bit open just for the steam to come out. Fire looks good, but I'm just gonna add one more. One of the reasons I'm gonna add one more, I don't wanna wait until the fire finishes and then add, because it's gonna be difficult to start the fire. I wanna start the french fries right now. The french fries has to be high fire. You don't want to cook at a slow fire. Start cooking the french fries over here, so I'm going to put a lot of oil. You see, one of the good things is to cook outside. Look how I can split. I cannot do that in the kitchen, so that's why my wife, she always want me to cook outside. A little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. If you want to know if the oil is ready, all you have to do is just throw one. You see how it's cooking? Good? So add the rest. Carefully though. French fries always has to cook on a high fire. "30 minutes passed by already, so I have another 10 more minutes." Okay, so we're gonna take everything out at the same time. Everything is ready, so I'm gonna take it out. Like the sound? Okay, remember the dill and the garlic, you have to put it on top. So I'm gonna taste it first. I tell you my honest opinion, as always. I'm very hungry. We just came from the beach. You see how nice and tender I am, and my wife is not, because she is a makeup artist and she was doing a makeup for a bride. So her duty was much important than mine today. You know what? You can hold it like this while I finish everything, please.
Now it's my turn. So I really like chicken breast. This is what I'm going to take first. Now you can hold it while I'm in. Unbelievable. You guys have to try it. It's so delicious. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and all the...
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let me just finish it with my 3 kilo. Salute guys. See you next time.